In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credits animation in PowerPoint. Whether you're wrapping up a professional presentation or adding a cinematic touch to your slides, a rolling credits animation can make a lasting impression. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon from your desktop or launching it through the Start menu. Once PowerPoint is open and ready to go, you'll need to navigate to your PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add the credits animation. Find the specific slide where this animation will appear. It could be the last slide of your presentation or wherever else you see fit. Now that you're on the right slide, click on the text box that you'll be using for the credits. This could be a list of names, roles, or any information you want to roll up the screen. With your text selected, it's time to head over to the Animation tab, located in the top menu ribbon of your PowerPoint interface. This tab houses a variety of animation options that you can apply to your content, giving your presentation a dynamic touch. Once you're under the Animation tab, you'll see an animation drop-down menu. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal the array of animations available. It's likely you may have used some of these before, like fade, wipe, or fly in, for instance. However, we're on a quest for something special, so let's keep going. Once you've clicked on the animation drop-down, look for the option labeled More Entrance Effects. Clicking here is going to bring up a new window with a wider selection of animations to choose from, including some that are not immediately visible in the initial drop-down list. In this new window, you'll find a scrollable list of effects. As you scroll through, you'll see a variety of creative options. Continue scrolling until you come across an effect called credits. This is the one we want for that classic movie-like rolling text effect that pans from the bottom of the screen to the top. Once you've found the credit effect, go ahead and select it. With the animation now applied, take a moment to preview how it looks by clicking the preview button on the left side of the Animation tab, or simply play the slideshow. Adjust the duration and timing if necessary to ensure the credits roll smoothly and in line with the pace of the rest of your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your PowerPoint presentation with a professional credits animation. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.